Hello friends, Namaste and welcome to the Oliveboard platform. How are you? I hope you are great and you are preparing for your exam in a very well and best possible manner. So today we are going to discuss the best solution for the quant section of the All India RRB NTPC mock test, which you probably took this test for the last weekend, right? See, Oliveboard conducts all India level mock test on every weekend for tier 2 exam and RRB NTPC stage 1, right? CBT 1, right? So today we are going to provide you the solution for the quant section only, right? So let's move ahead. The first question is on your screen. Please tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer of this question. What is the value of 27x cube minus 36xy plus y cube plus 81 when 3x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. See, whenever we have single equation, right? But there is a two variable, right? So we can let or we can assume one variable. So here we can say that if I let that x is equal to 0, so y is equal to minus 4. Is this clear? So I will get y is equal to minus 4, right? So if I put x is equal to 0, so this will become 0, this will become 0. So now the answer of the required is going to be y to the power cube plus 81, right? So substitute the value of y. So minus 4 to the power cube 81, right? See, whenever we have odd power, right? So minus will remain same, right? So minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, it will be minus 64 plus 81. So 81 minus 64, so I will get 17. So 17 is the right answer. So A part is the right answer. Simple. So here we have applied the value putting approach, right? So we have used the value putting approach. So here we have used value putting approach, right? So here we have used value putting approach. Moving forward, tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Yes, tell me what is the answer for this question. See, A is 8 years younger than B. A is 8 years younger than B. If 5 years ago the ratio of A to B's age is 13 into 15, then what is the present age of A? Yes. Yes, please. What is the present age of A? Yes. See, my dear students, we all know that the difference between two personality, the difference between two person at the same point of time always remains same whether that point belong to past, present or future, right? If I say that the difference between my mother and father is 2 years, right? So present it is 2 years. 5 years ago it was 2 years and after 2 years it will remain 2 years, right? Means the difference between two person is not going to change, right? Whether we talk about the past time, present time or future time, right? So with this aspect we can solve this question in just a single line. See, A is 8 years younger than B. It means the difference between A and B is what? 8. And 5 years ago, see, 5 years ago we can say that the ratio of A and B age is what? That is 13 is to 15, right? So here the difference is what? 2. So 2 is equal to what? 8. So how many times? 4 times. So we can say that the age of A 5 years ago was 52. So in present, so plus 5. So it is going to be 57. Simple, 57 is the right answer. If we understand this, right? So without pen and paper we can solve this. Here the difference is what? 2. 2 is equal to 8. See, directly we can say that 2 is equal to 8. 1 unit is equal to 4. So 13 is equal to what? 52. 52 plus 5, 57. Simple. That's it, right? Now tell me what is the answer for this question. See, this is the equation for circle, right? This is the equation for circle. See, we draw the circle, right? We draw the circle like this, okay? So these are the equation of circle. See, whenever we have such equations like, so we have three equation, x square plus y square is equal to a square, and x square plus y square is equal to what? B square, right? And x square plus y square is equal to c square. So what is the relationship between a, b, c, right? What is the relationship a, b, c? So the relationship between a, b, c is going to be b square is equal to ac. B square is equal to ac. And this relation is given here, b to the power m is equal to a to the power n into c to the power p, right? So we can say that, see here, so this is 1 1. So we can say that, just comparing, we can say that m is equal to 2, n is equal to 1, and p is equal to 1. Now the question is asking what is the value for m plus, what is the value for m plus, m is what? 2. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 17. So it is going to be what? 21, right? So we can say that 21 is the right answer. Simple. 21 is the right answer. So this is the smart approach to solve this question. Otherwise, it will take too much time if we go basically or conceptually, right? So with a smart approach, we can do this, right? So what is the relationship between a, b, c? So this is the fixed relationship. B square is equal to a into c, right? So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer for this question. See, this question belongs to the coordinate geometry. This question belongs to the coordinate geometry. Yes, please try this question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, the graph of 9x is equal to 3 minus 8y cuts the x-axis. See, if any line is cutting the x-axis, if I say that this is the line, right? See, this is the line and this is cutting it x-axis. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. See, at x-axis we all know, see, the coordinate at any point of the x-axis, so y is always 0, right? So y is always 0. If I talk about the coordinate, so y is equal to 0, and let's say 3 is equal to what? 3, right? So this point is going to be 3 0. Got the point? So whenever there is a statement, any straight line or any line which is cutting x-axis, right? So the coordinate of that point is going to be, y coordinate is going to be 0, right? So here we can say that beta is equal to 0. Beta is equal to 0, right? Beta is equal to 0, right? So we can say that for y we will take 0 and x is equal to alpha, right? Y is equal to 0. So the value for, so we can say that, see, if y is equal to 0, so we can say that 9x is equal to 3 minus 9x, so 3 minus what? 0. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 1 by 3. X is equal to what? 1 by 3. So we can say that alpha is equal to what? Alpha is equal to what? 1 by 3, right? So alpha or beta are the coordinates. So we can say that if y is equal to 0, so x is equal to what? 1 by 3, right? So we can say that alpha is equal to 1 by 3. So just put these value here. So 21 into 1 by 3 plus 5 into 0. So we can say that by 3 this is 7 times. So 7 plus 0, 7. So B part is the right answer. Yes, very easy question. B part is the right answer. Yes, B part is the right answer. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. So first of all, so this question belongs to probability section, right? So probability of any event is given by favorable case divided by total number of cases, right? Probability of any event is given by favorable case divided by total number of cases, right? See, here the question is saying, in a bag there are certain number of cards, numbering from 26 to 89, one card drawn at random. Find the probability that the card bearing a perfect square number, right? So whatever card we are drawing, so that number is going to be the perfect square, right? So could you tell me which number are the perfect square between? See, the range of the number are 26 to 89. So we can say that 6 square 36, 7 square 49, right? 8 square 64 and 9 square 81, right? So these are the number which are perfect square, right? Which is coming between these. So what are the total number of cards? So total number of cards are, so we can say that 89 minus 26, then plus 1, right? So simply we can say that it is going to be 63 plus 1, right? So 64. So total favorable case, so favorable cards are only 4. So the required probability is going to be 4 by 64. So 4 1 ja 4 and 4 16 ja 64, right? So we can say that A part is the right answer. Yes, very easy. So A part is the right answer. A Aravali Hills is the right answer. Yes, moving to next question. Yes, moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Everyone. Find the difference between the compound interest and simple interest obtained on rupees 1500 at 5% rate of interest after 2 years. See, whenever question is demanding for the difference between CI and SI for 2 year, so there is a shortcut or direct formula. D stand for difference is equal to PR square upon 100 square. So simply put or apply this formula, right? So we can say that the difference is going to be 1500 into 5 square, 5 into 5 divided by 100 square. So 100 into 100. So we can say that 0 0 0 0 25, it is 4 times. So D is equal to what? 15 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12.75, right? So 3.75 is the right answer. 3.75 is the right answer. 3.75 is the right answer. Yes, 3.75 is the right answer. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. If the volume of the sphere is 5 by third time the curved surface area of the sphere, then the radius of the sphere is. Now you have to tell me what is the radius of that sphere. Yes, please. Be fast, be quick. Tell me what is the answer. See, what is the sphere? So sphere is the figure like football, Costco ball, or we can say any ball, right? So this is the figure of sphere. Okay, so we can say that the all dimensions are radius. Yes, so the volume of the figure, see, the volume of the figure or curved surface area, we know that the volume is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube, and total surface area and curved surface area both are same in sphere, right? That is 4 pi r square, right? So you must remember the formula, right? Whenever you are going to do the questions of mensuration, right? So you must remember the formula. If you do not remember the formula, you wouldn't able to solve the questions of mensuration, right? So all questions are coming from the mensuration chapter, right? So they need formula clarity, right? So you must have clarity about the formula. Now the question is saying the volume of the sphere is 5 by third. The volume of the sphere is 5 by third time of the curved surface area, right? So just to put the formula, 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 5 by 3 into 4 pi r square, right? See here we can say that by 4 4 cancel, by 3 3 cancel, right? Pi cancel, by r square will be cancelled, so r is equal to what? 5. So radius is equal to 5. So very simple, right? If you know the formula, you can solve the question with ease, right? If you don't remember the formula, so it will become Herculean task for you, right? So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Very interesting question, very good question. Take your time. I give you 1 or 2 minutes to solve this question. Yes, please. Take your time and solve this question. Very good question. हाँ जी, आया क्या? See, read the following data carefully and answer the following question. The following line graph shows the average of the total number of English and Hindi books, right? See, one line is representing the average of both English and Hindi, right? And the total number of Hindi books in 4 different libraries, right? So see, first of all, we have to understand the data. See, the blue line is providing average of the total number of English and Hindi, and saffron color or we can say yellowish color providing the total number of Hindi books, right? See, now the question is asking what is the average of the total number of English book in library B and library D. So we have to focus on library B and library D. See, in library B, the average for English and Hindi, it is what? 280, right? So what is the total number of books for Hindi? So just multiply here by 2, because sum is equal to what? Average into n, right? So there are 2 type of books. So just divide by 2. So you will get the average, and multiply by 2, you will get the sum. So the sum means what? Hindi plus English total book are going to be what? So we can say that 0. So 560. And out of 560, the total number of Hindi books are what? 320, right? So we can say that in library B, the total number of English book are what? So difference is going to be the total number of English book. So 560 minus 320. So here I will get 240, right? No problem. So if I talk about library D, the total book Hindi plus English, so it is going to be what? 340 into 2, right? So we can say that it is going to be 680, right? But Hindi books are how much? So Hindi books are just 400, right? So we can say that the English books are difference of this, so that is 280, right? Simple. So we can say that the average for English book is going to be 240 plus 280 divided by 2, right? So simply we can say that 0, 2, so 520 divided by 2, so 2 2s are 4, So 260 is the right answer. Okay. So simple C part is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes. C part is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Read the following data carefully and answer the following question. The following bar graph shows the total number of boys and the girls in 4 class. See the total number of boys and girls. So boys, blue are boys, right? So we can say that boys, for boys, see. Class 5th we have 50 boys and 45 girls, right? And class 5th we have 65 boys and 70, right? See here is what 35 and 55, okay? And in class 8th we have 80 and 40, right? See, we have to take the difference. See, so difference is what? Here the difference is 40, right? So we are subtracting boy minus girls, right? So boy minus girls, so how much? Minus 20, right? So here is minus 5 and here is plus 5. So we can say that minus 5 plus 5 cancelled. So 40 minus 20. So the answer is going to be, see the difference. Difference is what? I think there is a mistake. 20, 70. Here is 45, 50. So plus 5 minus 5 minus 20, 40. See, the answer must be 40, right? Sorry, 40 minus 20. Answer must be 20. Because 40 minus 20, answer must be, see, the difference between the total number of boys in 4 class together and the total number of girls in 4 class together. See, the total number of boys, how much? See, we have to total boys minus total girls. So total boys 50 plus 65 plus 35 plus 80, right? Yes. Then minus, I calculated smartly, right? 70 plus 55 plus 40, right? See, so the answer is, so answer must be 20, right? So there is a missing of option. So according to me, the answer is 20, okay? Yes. So moving forward, the monthly salary of A and B are in the ratio 7:5. See the monthly salary of A and B. The monthly salary of A and B is what? 7:5. The monthly salary of A and B are in the ratio 7:5. A's monthly salary is 2100. So again, very easy question. See, 7 is equal to what? 2100, right? So it is 300 times. So monthly salary of B is what? 1500, right? So now the question is asking for the annual salary. So B's annual salary is going to be what? 1500 into 12, right? So we can say that 15 2s are 30, carry 3, so 18000, right? So 18,000 is the right answer. 18,000 is the right answer. Yes, 18000, 18,000 is the right answer. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer for this question. See, here we can apply the formula, right? See, we all know a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square, right? So this is equal to what? 2 bracket a square plus b square. So this is the result, right? So let this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b, and this is a into a, and this is b into b. So we can say that 2 is the right answer, right? 2 is the right answer. From numerator portion we will get twice of a square plus b square, and in denominator we have a square plus b square, right? So this is cancelled. So in place of, see, I have assumed A is equal to 3.576 and B is equal to this, right? So normally such type of questions, algebraic identities are used, right? If we are comfortable with the algebraic identity, algebraic formation, so we can solve this question with ease, right? Otherwise you wouldn't be able to solve this. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, the question is saying a person invested rupees 3,650 in a simple interest at a 15% rate of interest. If after 6 years the amount is withdrawn, if after 6 years the amount is withdrawn, see, my money is increasing by 15%. My money is increasing by 15% in 1 year. So in 6 years it will be increased what? 15 into 6. 15 into 6, 90%, right? So we can say that my 3,650 will become 190%. Will become what? 190%. Right? And out of this, 11 by 19 of the total amount is spent on shopping. Then find the remaining amount. If 11 by 19 is spent, so how much is the remaining? 90 minus 11, 8 by 11, right? 8 by 19, sorry, 8 by 19. So we can say that, see, 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. By 19, 19 cancel. So 365 into 8, right? So 8 5 is 40, carry 4. 8 6 is 40. 8 6 is 48 and 2. Sorry, 48 and 4, 52. Carry 5. 8 3 is 20. 4 and 5, 29, right? So we can say that 2920 is the right answer. D part is the right answer. D dear devil is the right answer. Yes, D dear devil is the right answer. Now moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, find the ratio, find the area of triangle ABC. Find the area of triangle ABC which is inscribed in a circle. Find the area of triangle ABC which is inscribed in a circle centered at O, given AB is equal to 32. Given AB is equal to 32 meter and AC is equal to 24 meter, right? Is this clear? Yes. AB is equal to 32 meter. See, AB is equal to 32. AB is equal to 32 and AC is equal to 24. Simply we can say that, see, the angle subtended by the diameter in either segment, right? So it is 90 degree. So we can say that ABC is the 90 degree, right? Right angle triangle. So the area of right angle triangle is 1/2 into base into perpendicular. So we can say that it is going to be 1/2 into 32 into 24, simply, right? So by 2 this is 16 times, 16 4 the 64, 16 2 the 32 and 6. So 384 meter square is the right answer. 384 meter square is the right answer. Simple. So now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Very good question. If the 7-digit number 94x29y4 is divisible by 72, if any number is divisible by 72, so that number must be divisible by 8 and 9, right? If a number is divisible by 8 and 9 both, then it will be divisible by 72. Simple. Yes, it will be divisible by 72. See, now the question is saying the 7-digit number is 94x29y4. 94x29y4 is divisible by 72. So for checking 8, right? So take the last 3 digit. So last 3 digit of the number must be divisible by 8, right? So what value is possible for y? So we can say that 8 1s are 8, right? Taking 1, right? So if I take y is equal to 0, right? So is it possible to divide? See, if I take y is equal to 0, See, we are not able to take 0, right? So we cannot take 0. We cannot take 0. So avoid this ab initio, right? Or you can try one thing. Okay. So we can say that what value we can take for y. So we can take 0. 0 is possible. That is another matter. We cannot take 0. Okay. So trying for another. So could we place 1, right? So 1 is not possible. 1 is not possible, right? So we can take, can we take 2? If I take y is equal to 2, so again not possible, because see, for divisibility rule we must have what? 24 is divisible by and 64. Only two numbers which are divisible by 8 and containing 4 at the, or having 4 at the unit digit. So only two numbers are 24 and 64, right? Or we can say, so we can say that if I place 2, not possible. Okay, not possible, right? If I place 3, again not possible. If I use 4, right? So I will get what? If y is equal to 4, so I will get what? 8 1 is 8, right? So I will get 6. So now it is completely divisible. Okay, yes. So we can say that we can take 4. Okay, so what are another value? If I take 5, not possible. If I take 6, not possible. If I take 7, not possible. If I take 8, right? So 8 2s are 16, right? So and 8 3s are 24. So we can say that only 3 values are possible for y. Only 3 values are possible in which we cannot take 0. So we have only 2 options, right? Now check for divisibility rule of 9. That says the sum of the digits must be divisible by 9, right? So we can say that, see, we can say that 9 is completely divisible. 9 is completely divisible. 8 and 4 and 4, 8 and 2, 10. Out of 10, 9 is divisible. So we can say that x plus y plus 1. So that must be equal to either 9 or 18. Either 9 or 18, right? So we can say that the sum of x plus y must be equal to either 8 or 18, right? Either 8 or 18. See, if I say that, if I take y, see, now check for the possibility. If y is equal to 4, so we can say that x is equal to 4 also. Okay, possible. If y is equal to 4, x is equal to 40, not possible, right? See, if I take y is equal to 8, if y is equal to 8, x becomes 0. So again not possible. If I take, see, if I take y is equal to 8 and x plus y is equal to 18. So again this is not possible. So there is only single case which is possible for x and y. X is equal to 4, y is equal to also 4, right? Now the question is asking, then what is the value of xy, right? The question is asking what is the value for xy. And x is not is equal to y. Again the x is not is equal to y. See, sorry. I took, here must be 17, right? Sorry. If I take here 8, right? If I take here y is equal to 8, right? So see, y is equal to 8, see. Y is equal to 8. If y is equal to 8, then x is equal to what? 0, okay? If y is equal to 8, so 17 minus x, 17 minus, here is 17 because just minus 1, because this will transfer either, okay? So here will be 17, so it will become 9, yes. So next possibility is what? So x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 8. So this is the possibility, okay? So we can say that 9 into 8, 72 is the right answer, yes. D part is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. So very good question. So many students get confused, right? So you have to do this question with patience, right? So 72 is the right answer. Now moving forward, so simply we can say that, see, this is the square of x plus 15, right? This is the square of x plus 15 and this is the square of x plus 18, right? So you have to calculate the square root. So we can say that x plus 15 and x plus 18, x plus 15 and x plus See, put here plus x plus 15, sorry, x minus, sorry, this is my mistake. See, here is minus, so we can say that we have to calculate the square root of, see, this is the x minus 15 square into, and this is x plus 18 square, right? So we can say that x minus 15, and I will get x minus 15 into x plus 18, right? So x minus 15, yes, x minus 15 and x plus 18, C part is the right answer, yes. C Chennai Express is the right answer, yes. C Chennai Express is the right answer. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, two trains travel in opposite direction. So we have two trains travel in opposite direction at 36 km per hour and 54 km per hour and cross each other in 18 seconds. And they cross each other in 18 seconds if the length of the faster train is 180 meter. If the length of the faster train is 180 meter more than the slower train, then find the length of the slower train. Let the length of the slower train, see, length of the slower train is x, so the length of the faster train is what? X plus 180, no problem. And we know that the distance is provided by relative speed into time, yes. So we can say that distance is 2x plus 180. What is the relative speed? They are going in opposite direction, right? So when train are running in opposite direction, so relative speed is what? Sum of speed. So 36 plus 54, 36 plus 54 into, just convert it into meter per second, multiply by 5 by 18, right? And what is the time? 18 seconds, right? So 18 got cancelled. So here is what? 0 and 990. So we can say that 2x is equal to what? 450 minus 180. So x is equal to what? So here I will get 0, 7 and 2 divided by 2, right? So 135, right? So 135 meter is the right answer. See, x is the length of a small train, right? Okay, slower train. So we can say that D part is the right answer. So the length of the slower train, is going to be 135 meter. 135 meter is the right answer. Yes, 135 meter is the right answer. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, the table following shows the number of roses and jasmine flowers sold by 5 companies A, B, C, D. Okay, the ratio of the total number of roses and jasmine flowers sold, the total number of roses sold. Okay, now the question is asking find the average of the total number of jasmine flowers sold by shop A, C and D. See, A, C and D, A, C and D. So we can say that the number of roses sold is by A is 135. The ratio of the roses, so we can say that 5 unit is equal to what? 135, right? So how much time? So it is how many time? 5 2s are 10, 27. So flower jasmine sold by A, just multiply by 27, right? So we can say that 7 into 7, 49, 7 into 2, 14 and 4. So 189, right? So likewise we can say that here 7 is equal to what? 7 is equal to, for C, 126, right? 126. So how many times? 7 1 ja 7, 7 8 ja 56. So C, 6 is equal to what? 6 into 18, right? 108. Likewise 7 is equal to 176. So 1 is equal to what? So we can say that 1 is equal to 7 7 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, right? 7 2s are 14. It is not divisible. Is this clear? I think there is some error. Sorry, D. For D, it is asking for D, right? So 3 unit is equal to 117. Yes, 3 unit is equal to 117. So how many times? Yes. So 1 unit is equal to 3 3s are 9 and 3 7s are 3 9s are 27, right? So we can say that 4 into 39. Okay. So 160 minus 4, 154. So we have to calculate the average. So just add up and divide it by 3, right? So we can say that here I will get what? 9 and 8, 17, 17 and 6, 23 carry 2, 15 carry 1. So divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So 151 is the right answer. Yes, simple, 151 is the right answer. So B part is the right answer. Yes, B part is the right answer. Yes, B part is the right answer. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer of this question. See, P and Q opened a coaching institute with an investment of rupees 4,000 each, right? After some month, R joined them and invested. Let's say this is X. After X month, R joined them and with an investment of rupees Y. Okay. After next 2 months, P left. After next 2 months, P left. At the end of the 1 year, partnership profit earned by P, Q and R. See, the profit sharing ratio for P, Q, R. So it is what? 5:6:4. So we all know that profit is represented by capital into time. Yes, yes or no? See, so we can say that the profit sharing ratio for P and Q is 5:6, and P and Q, and P left the business after some time, but Q remain in the business, right? Q remain in the business. So at the end of the year, so it means that for complete year, Q's capital was used only, right? So we can say that the profit sharing ratio for P and Q, right? For P and Q. So P's capital is what? 4,000. How many times? So let's say it is T time, right? And Q's capital was used 4,000 for how many times? For 12, right? So it must be equal to 5/6, right? So simply we can say that by 4,000 cancel. Yes. So by 6 it is 2 times. So T is equal to what? 10. So we can say that the P capital was used for 10 months. P's capital was used for 10 months. So now after next 2 months P left, right? So means P left 2 months before the year, 2 months before the end of the year. That's why we can say that P came in starting, right? And left after 10 months means he left 2 months before, right? See, and next 2 months P left. Next 2 months of what? After X month R joined, right? So we can simply say that 10 minus 2, so X is equal to 8. X is equal to 8, right? X is equal to 8. Simply we can say that X is equal to 8. So we have only one option in which X is equal to 8. So B part is the right answer. No need to calculate, right? If you want to calculate, you can calculate, right? See, the profit sharing ratio for Q and R is 6:4. So simply I can say that the capital for Q is what? 4,000 and time is 12, right? And the capital for R is Y. We assumed Y, right? Into the time is 8. So this must be equal to 6/4. Is this clear? 6/4. See, by 6 this is 2 times. By 4 this is 2 times. 2 cancel, right? So we can say that here I think there is some typing confusion, right? So here Here must be 4,000, right? Here must be 4,000, not 8,000, because we are getting this. So okay, try this question. So next 2 month P left, yes, of course. So that's why. So y must be, here must be 4,000, right? Here must be 4,000. Only then the condition will be satisfied. Okay. Or we want to cross check, we can, right? See, 4,000 for P into 10, 4,000 into Q for 12, and 4,000 into 8. Just check. 4,000 cancelled. So this is going to be 5:6:4. Yes, 5:6:4. So here must be 4,000, right? So we have cross verified. So answer must be 8 month and 4,000, right? So moving forward, so this is all for today. So if you have downloaded the app, that's very fine. If you have not downloaded the app, so please download the app, because there are lots of free classes running at app also, right? So you can get benefit from those, right? And if you want to prepare in systematic order with us, right? So just go to the Oliveboard website. Just go to the Oliveboard website. So you will get interface like this, right? Sorry. Yes. So you will get the interface like this, right? So there is a 40% plus off plus 4 months, and the coupon code for this super, right? SUPER. So you can enroll for any courses, right? So for looking of the courses, just go to the courses section. After going to the courses section, you will get this interface, right? So just so you can say that the current or newly started batch are SSC CGL Tier 2, right? Crash course. And RRB NTPC CBT 1 and CBT 2 crash course, right? So you can check it out, these two batches, and scroll down. So here are the complete English medium batches, right? So we have foundation batches if you are targeting for the next session, and if you want to prepare from the starting or very scratch, right, in a systematic manner, right? So foundation batches are very good, so you can join foundation batches also, right? And if you are targeting tier 2, so you can join selection batch. So this is all for today. And you can also, if you have any kind of query, so you can WhatsApp your query on this number, and you can join our official Telegram channel, right? So this is all from my side. So thank you guys, thank you very much. Jai Hind.